Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today's activity is based on the book How Many Seeds in a Pumpkin, written and illustrated by Margaret McNamara and by Brian Karras. Now, we learned in the book that there were 3 size pumpkins: big, medium, and small. Today, I brought in a small pumpkin. And you can purchase this at any store right now. There's pumpkins everywhere. And prior to this video, I cut open my pumpkin, and you can see all the seeds inside. Now, there are different things you can do with the seeds. You can pull them out and place them on a newspaper that I have here on my lap. And I'm just going to pull out a few. I'm going to first pull them off the stem. And then I'm going to set the top of it aside in a bowl. And still there are many more pumpkin seeds inside. And I'm going to set that pumpkin down. Now with my pumpkin seeds, once I take off the slime and I dry them out, I can count them. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until I have a total amount of seeds. Now, after I take all the seeds and count them, I'm going to ask a parent to help me wash them and then dry them overnight onto another newspaper or onto a pan. Once they're all washed, counted, washed, and dried, I'm going to get a bowl like this one, or a big bowl, depending on how many seeds I have. And inside this bowl, I'm going to place melted butter, salt, and my pumpkin seeds. I'm going to mix it all together with a spoon or my hand. I'm going to wash my hands first, and then I'm going to place them onto a cooking sheet. With my parents' help, our parents can turn the oven on to 300 degrees, and then we'll place the pan into the oven to cook the seeds for 45 minutes, along with the butter and salt that's been already mixed in. When they're done and they're cooled off, they're ready to eat. I hope you enjoy your pumpkin seeds. See you later. Thank you for coming, and I hope to see you again.